Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Asad Yaqub here, and I welcome you to a wonderful video about IELTS Speaking Cue Cards. Well, guys, as you know, thrice a year, IELTS administration, they change cue cards. Okay, first they change them in January, then they change them in the month of May, and then finally they change them in September. So January to April we have same cue cards, then May to September we've got same cue cards, and then from September to December we've got same cue cards. Okay, now as you know, whenever they change cue cards, they add some new cue cards, they drop some old cue cards. Okay, and some cue cards are evergreen. I can see some cue cards in IELTS which were there 10 years ago. Now in 2025, what sort of cue cards are we going to get? Before I get into this discussion, I would like to tell you, what does a cue card consist of? A cue card consists of a main topic and cues. Main topic and cues. For example, describe a TV program that you watch. This is the main topic. What are the cues? When do you watch it? How did you come to know about this program? What is this program about? And how do you feel when you watch this program? So there are 4 cues. Now in 2025, mostly the cue cards that we had in 2024, examiners are going to use those cue cards. The first thing. Secondly, cue cards which are related to newspaper, magazine, cue cards which are related to television and all that, because people's habits are different now, so they are not going to focus on such type of cue cards where they have television, TV programs, because they know people use internet and all that. The cue cards where they had all the old stuff, so they are not going to have these cue cards. Instead of that, in 2025 they are going to introduce technology based cue cards, number 1. Number 2, tourism is the main topic. Education is one of the topics where there can be more and more cue cards. Artificial intelligence, robotics, applications, mobile applications, gadgets. So these type of cue cards are going to be in, right? And let me tell you, we already have a book of cue cards here. There are 100 cue cards in this book. Okay, and we actually refresh this book on the 15th of the month when there are new cue cards. So from 15th January, you will be able to get the newest version of the book with 100 cue cards, and you are highly likely to get one of them in your actual IELTS exam. Along with cue cards, we have, and you know, your part 3 depends on cue cards. So whatever the topic in the cue card is, in part 3, examiner will ask you follow-up questions from that topic. As far as part 1 is concerned, for part 1 we have 200 topics in this book at the moment. And you know, when they change cue cards or when they change part 1 topics, they make hardly like 10% changes. They hardly make 10% changes. Otherwise, those evergreen topics like hometown, leisure activity, travel and all that, these topics are same. The 10% changes will be made, and you can get the updated version of the book from 15th January onwards. Otherwise, you know, in January they change, then May they change it, and then in September they change the cue card, and on every 15th of January, May and September we update the book and you get the latest version of that. So don't worry, if you get a new cue card, read the topic, decide immediately whatever you're going to talk about. Okay, consider the cues in order to give a good answer. If you want to expand your answer, for that you need to consider the cues. Otherwise, if you speak on the main topic for 1 minute, it is not necessary to cover the cues. Let me tell you clearly, it is not necessary to cover the cues. You can speak about one cue before, first cue you can speak about that in the end, the last cue you can discuss in the beginning and all that. It depends on you. You can miss any cue as well, but as long as you speak on the main topic, you speak well, you will get very good bench score. So that's all familiarity, because we are afraid of speaking. Many of us, we are afraid of speaking. So if we are familiar with the topics of speaking, part 1, part 2, part 3, we can perform well in actual exam. Otherwise all our time is wasted in thinking, coming up with ideas, constructing proper sentences, and as a result we get low band score. Okay, all the best guys, thank you so much. I also teach IELTS online all over the world, in campus in Lahore, Pakistan. We offer IELTS test booking service all over Pakistan. There is a link in description. Click on the link and you can get the number of our IELTS test booking manager. He will guide you in case of any difficulty. We offer study plans before IELTS exam. We have IELTS speaking book. We have IELTS writing books as well. So if you want to get any of these services, just contact us and we will get back with all the information. All the best. Thank you so much. I wish you best of luck with your IELTS speaking. Good luck, and I wish you 8 band in IELTS. Okay. Thank you so much.